type of changes are observing in our day-to-day life? Sunrise and sunset, phases of moon, rushing of time, digestion of food, growing of nails, growing of hair, becoming stout, becoming lean, tall. See here, light glowing off. Yes, of course, day and night, midday, night. See how many changes we are talking. Seedling of plants. Yes, of course, colding of milk, formation of rainbow, change of colors in the sky, gathering of leaves, flowering of flowers, blossom of flowers, of course, seasons, changing of seasons. See here how many changes are taking in our surroundings. Then those changes are how they are changing. Then what we are calling such those. To talk for that, we will discuss classification of changes. What we can talk about classification of changes. What we can classification of changes. Classification of changes. What we can observe here, classification of changes. Classification of changes. What are the changes are there? There are so many changes are there. For this week, we are discussing some of the changes. Then what are those? To talk for that, there are so many changes are taking around us. The changes taking place, the changes taking place, the changes taking place around us, around us can be classified as under. What are those classifying the changes? What are the changes are taking in our surroundings? Let me write those. What are the changes are taking? What are the changes are taking? That is nothing as slow and fast changes. What are those? Slow and fast changes. The second thing is reversible and irreversible changes. Reversible and irreversible changes. Then coming to talk about that next thing is desirable and undesirable change, okay, or changes. Then next, one more to talk, periodic or non-periodic, periodic and non-periodic changes, periodic and non-periodic changes, physical and chemical changes, physical and chemical changes. See one, what we are talking about that there are so many changes we are talking in our surroundings. Those are nothing as, what are those? Slow and fast changes. Slow changes, fast changes. What is the meaning of slow change and fast change? The change which takes very long period of time, it takes maximum time to form a new compound. Those we can say slow change. The change which occurs within seconds and minutes, those changes we can call fast changes. And reversible and irreversible changes, reversible and irreversible changes, the substance which can form new substance, and again it gets a original form by during that means during the change, that is a reversible change. Irreversible change, while the substance forming a new compound, it never forms its original substance. Those we can call irreversible change. Then desirable and undesirable changes. Desirable and undesirable changes. Desirable means what we can say. Desirable means, see one, desirable means which we need, which is necessary, means wanted, required. Okay, which we have a requirement, such a type of changes, what we can, desirable changes, which are not interested, means not need for us, those are undesirable changes. Periodic or non-periodic. Periodic, the change which occurs in a regular period of interval of time and again, those are periodic change. And non-periodic change, which is not repeats again, those are non-periodic change. Physical and chemical changes. The substance which can form its new compound, but it gets its original. Those whole we can get physical. Which form new compound, it never forms its original form. That is a chemical change. Of course, what we can say from the reversible and irreversible, same as we can talk in physical and chemical changes. Let's we talk about that individual type of changes from flow and fast, reversible and irreversible, desirable and undesirable, periodic and non-periodic, physical and chemical changes. So first note on that, let's write those remain. Here, come back to talk. So these are the type of changes. Let's we talk individual type of changes. Okay, that is nothing as slow and fast change. Means slow change and fast change. Let's we talk the slow change and fast change, how it will take in our day-to-day life, in our surroundings. Okay. Coming talk about that slow and fast changes. Slow and fast changes. Slow and fast changes. So which is the slow change and which is the fast change? Which is the slow change and which is the fast change? Some changes are very fast, means what we can say, fast changes. Fast changes. Some changes are very fast. Some changes are very fast. These changes occur. These changes occur within seconds or minutes. Within seconds or minutes. Means what we are using utilization here. Fast changes. Some changes are very fast, means within very few seconds it can take. These changes can take to form a new type of substance. Okay, those are what we can within seconds or minutes. Within seconds or minutes, the changes are occurs. The changes are occurs. Coming to talk about examples to understand the what are the examples to understand the fast changes. To understand the fast changes. A boy blowing a balloon means blowing a balloon, bursting of balloon, bursting of a balloon, and burning of matchstick, burning of matchstick, bursting of a cracker, bursting of a cracker, lighting of an electric bulb, lightning of an electric bulb, and spinning of top, So something what we can talk about, see here, so many are there to talk for that. See, blowing of a balloon or blowing a balloon. A boy blowing a balloon means what we can see making as a inhaled means inflated balloon. Inflated means the balloon which is filled with air. The balloon which is filled with air. Blowing of balloon. By blowing the air into the balloon, it makes the increase of size within few seconds. Bursting of a balloon. By taking pin can burst within fraction of seconds. Burning of matchstick. While by striking in opposite direction to the matchbox to the stick, it can catch the fire within seconds. Bursting of a cracker, of course, it takes fraction of seconds to burst a few seconds to burst the cracker. Lighting of an electric bulb. While we switch on, the bulb will glow. While we switch off, the bulb will off. Means the glowing will stop. What we can say, within fraction of seconds, by the foot on and foot off, the bulb will work the condition. And spinning the top, while applying the spinning top, the top within fraction of seconds it can rotate on the ground. Those are what fast changes within a few seconds or minutes. Those can change it in our surroundings. Note on that, we'll start next slow change. Finished? So those are the first changes how taking our surroundings. Let's talk about slow changes. Okay, how they are taking our surroundings. Let's talk about that slow changes. What are those? We are coming to that. Talk for slow changes. Some changes are very slow. Means what we can talk about that, how those are in our surroundings. Some changes take place very slow. How like that taking? These changes may take, these changes may take, these changes may take hours, hours, days, months, and also what we can, or years, to what we can complete. See here what I'm saying, what we are saying here. Some changes take many hours, days also, and sometimes it may do the, means it may continue to complete the reaction, to complete the change. What happened? It may take many months or years. It may take a long lifetime to change our surroundings, to change the substance in our surroundings. Then those are such a type of slow changes in our surroundings. Let's talk with examples. Which are the slow changes? Of course, what we can talk about that, the germination of mustard seed, germination of mustard, germination of mustard seed into a seedling, into a, what we can seedling, into a seedling, may take a few days, may take a few days. Means what we can, the growth of the seedling into full-fledged mustard plant may take 3 months. So the mustard seed takes 3 months to full-fledged plant, to grow as a full-fledged plant. Become what we can, to become full-fledged plant, it needs 3 months. It needs how much? 3 months. So it is a long period to change the, in the mustard seed. So that's why what we can consider it is in the slow change. To talk next one, a baby grows, a baby grows, a baby grows into an adult, into an adult in over 18 years, in over 18 years. See here what happens. A baby takes many years to become adult. To become adult. From baby to adult to grow, they may take over than 18 years. It's a long period to change on the baby to grow. And the rusting of an iron, rusting of an iron, nail in damp air, nail in damp air, may take a couple of days, may take a couple of days, may take couple of days. Milk changes into curd, milk changes into curd, in 6 to 8 hours. The same as to cause the water change into ice, the water changes into a changes into ice in a fridge, in a fridge, in a few hours. See here what I'm saying to you. Of course, changes of seasons also, changes of seasons also slow change because each season takes 4 months to complete, to change into one season to another. So from rainy season to winter, winter season to summer, summer to again. So like it repeats, but it takes 4 months is a long period, taking a slow change. See here, what are the slow changes in our surroundings taking, such as those seeding of plants, baby taking growth, okay, rusting of iron, milk changing to cold, water changing ice, of changes of season. These four are examples to understand slow changes. Understand? Note on that. Finished. So those are fast changes and slow changes by some clear examples how they are taking our surroundings. Okay. Then let me talk about another type of change. Another type of change. Those are nothing else. What we can talk about that reversible and irreversible changes. What are those reversible and irreversible changes? Then what is the meaning of reversible changes and irreversible changes? What we can reversible changes and irreversible changes. Reversible changes and irreversible changes. What is the meaning of reversible and irreversible changes? See here one thing. When we place the water in a deep refrigerator, after few hours, while we are looking out that water, we may observe the water may convert into the ice. By placing a few hours or few interval of time in open atmosphere in our air, we may observe the ice completely convert into water. See here, while by placing in deep refrigerator, the temperature is going to decrease. Due to the change of the temperature, what happens? The liquid state of substance is converted into the solid state of substance. Then again, the solid state means new form of the water, new compound of the water is become original form. It's getting original form. Means again it become as a water. See here what I'm saying. While forming a new compound by the during the changes, the substance again should get back or we get form new. Means it's new. Means it's original form. What we can say? By forming new compound, but we should get original form. During the changes, the substance which can get its original form by forming a new compound. By forming a new compound, it can form, means it can come back or it may form its new, means original form. What I'm saying, suppose one more take example to talk about that. There are so many examples to talk about an electric bulb. When you are put on, the bulb will give glow out, means glowing of light. When the shortage of electric current or otherwise if you put off the bulb, what happens? Put off the glowing of light. Means what we can, before the bulb was in off, means not giving glow. While put on, the electric current passes and is given glowing out. Then we put up the glowing out stops to become original form. See here what we understand. By forming a new compound during the changes, the new compound again it becomes its original form. Okay? And also what we can one more piece of steel. Piece of steel. While we are magnetizing the piece of steel, magnetizing is a process to make a magnet by the magnetization, to make a magnet by the magnetization to the magnetic material. While the magnetic materials are magnetized by the magnetization process, that after magnetization, that the magnetic materials will become as a magnet in few hours or few interval of time. After some interval of time, that magnetization means that magnetic property will lose from the steel and it gets form as a original form. So, by during the magnetization, during the change, It formed a new type of property of the steel, means magnet. Again, by losing that, it formed its original form. Understand? So what we can say here, reversible changes. Reversible changes means what we discussed. During the change, the substance which formed a new substance, again it forms its original form. Same as for irreversible changes, the substance which forms its new or new compound, it never forms its original form. Suppose curding of milk. While formation of curd from the milk, imagine we never get milk from the curd. By burning wood, if once burn that wood become coal or ash, we never get wood from the new product of the wood, burning wood. Burning of crackers, burning of matchsticks, is it or not? Burning of paper. See here. So many things, whatever which formed a new substance, they will never form its original form. Those we can call irreversible changes. Next we talk what is the reversible change and irreversible change, how taking in our surroundings. A change which can be reverted, a change which can be reversed, is called a reversible change. Is called a reversible change. Reversible change. See here what I can, in this change, what we can talk about, the products formed, can be converted back, into their original form. Okay, what we discussed, that's only we are talking for that. Then what are the examples to understand reversible changes? Let's we discuss that. What we can reversible changes. Water can be changed into ice. Water can be changed into ice while you are placing in a fridge. After taking out, it converts into what happens? Water. Okay? And an electric bulb can be made, and lightning of electric bulb, an electric bulb. Then to talk about magnetization of a steel bar or steel piece. And what we can here see one, what we can, a change which can be reversed is called what we call reversible change. In this, what happens? We're discussing different type of water can be changed into ice, of course. Again, ice can convert into water, it forms its original form. And lighting up an electric bulb. So while you put on that, it will give you glowing of light. While you put off, it comes its original form. Magnetization of steel bar. After magnetization, the steel bar becomes as a magnet because of it is a magnetic material. When you are beating with a hammer, that may lose the strength of magnetism. Then again forms as its original form as steel bar. Okay, note on that. Those are the examples for reversible changes. What are those? Reversible changes. These are the examples. So finish. Coming to talk about reversible changes. So we may observe different type of changes in our surroundings. After that, what is finished? Slow changes and fast changes and also reversible changes. Then after irreversible changes, so we have to be a task on the three what we finish the changes, slow changes and fast changes. Make at least two situations for each change. Then after fast reversible changes, what is the irreversible change? The change which cannot reverse by forming a new substance, it never forms its original form. Those we can call irreversible changes. What are that? Irreversible changes. Okay, that we'll talk in the next class. Irreversible change. So see you in the next class. Have a good day to practice.